Then Chad come here at 4:50. Then all along Miss Kitty come over here and me she do really talk about both enablers and gifters. And then come here, Miss Kitty, make me a reason, darling. We had over here, Kitty. We had over here. Is it true? Me know me super duper don't. Me know why you use one word and scribble dibble my whole body, character, mind, and dirty place. Kitty, you're too well educated for the on social media. I worry about enablers and cannablers and familyablers. We had over here in a fit a miss. One back in the courthouse, one back at RJR, one in a parliament. We had over here. Them never say people with subject beg to murder. Dear.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. I've made it up on the beat and you can see. Pan on the screen. Yeah, Rosealee, she got treated. She said her mom's is in the hospital because Jake's mom's and people them, you know what. And that, when them buck that in the road. You see what I said, but before we get to that aspect of the video, we just want to, you know, how should I say this? Confirm Rose was telling the truth about Miss Kitty. You see what I said? Because she really out here looking pitiful, red eye and bad mind. Especially when she says stuff like this.
Well, once your budget can allow, I'm here for the taking. I'm here for the help. Just talk to Jason and see if the budget is right. I will finally, before you go, where can persons follow the CPFSA online, as well as for persons overseas who are watching on my live now, who may want to get involved and want to assist and want to even give cash donations? How can they do so? So it's not like you're over here. You say you're not sit down all day, doc. The people them say doc gonna sit down on TikTok all day. I watch the people them live and I watch out them live. Come take them pit that gonna wicked. I try to see people them get them taps and roses and them wheel and them lion that gonna grudge and bad man. I want to tell the people them pit it. Is that true, dog?
Yeah, no. So I mean, we do monitor content, but we can't do it alone. You know, we have other things to do too. So we rely on the public. We rely on those persons.
I don't know of any other country or nation or, I mean, to be honest, I'm not on TikTok that much, right? I'm not like, I'm really not like on it so much, right? But when from what I've seen and observed, me not see nobody else, Caribbean island or country, the people go on, so me not see it. I don't see it. But why wouldn't I participate in degenerative behavior if it's raking in millions of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars, which ordinarily I would not have, which ordinarily I could not earn? Why would I stop a behavior where now if TikTok for come off of the internet?
Yes, put in the comment section what you think about what you just heard, because when I listen to that, it sounds like somebody who is spying on ghetto people. You know what I mean? As you can see, she was asking how people can assist in bringing down ghetto people all the way from the overseas. And convenient, she says she doesn't see any other Caribbean nation, nobody else acting a fool on social media or whatever, and she wouldn't participate in that, you know, buffoonery. So she's trying to make gifters feel sad out here. And we see Dancehall Queen and Spice participating in bodies. And definitely it was churches for the Caribbean bodies edition. Put in the comment section what you think about that. Because you see, say, some people out here lie, you know. You see what I say, but nevertheless, people, Rosealee is chess. And wants honor to pray for her.
Mr. Trot, me at 5:07, Trotting on no 7 can't sleep. Yeah, Trot, I gotta be honest, because I don't even want to shout. It come like say appear judgment to take me, but I bind it up in the name of Jesus. This too shall pass, and I must overcome. And Father God, gonna rise me up out of the ashes like Phoenix. And some bigger and better and greater are gonna come out of this situation, yeah. Trot, me there the Airbnb all along me and Diamond. And on a beat, me go on a beat, me come. Someone ask me not go me yard. Someone wonder if I dem me live. Trot as me coulda reach a me yard. So tonight, do me live and all and contented. Drake's mama friend, see my mama. Drake's mama friend, see my mama. Half of them done plan it. Because the woman see me a throw word for me and tell me I'm a bad man, I'm gonna look at her. The woman friend see my mama stab my mama in her eye. The woman gonna public. Earlier on up in the night. When me confront the woman, so why you stab my mother? Because my mother depend on social media that she sell pussy and she fuck out. And my mother that depend on social media. My mother depend on social media. I'm still a search with the card in when my mother says she whatever you. You understand? When me look, me say Jake's mama take up 2 big stone. Trot, it come like the people, it come like Jake's and them whole family come for terrorize me, run me to wreck because me no want him. Why Jake's mama always a try for me see her. So it look like say no Trot. This son a text it for me. And the mama text it for me. So the whole family come for us text it for me because we are weak fence. Because why you true to your friend for stab a man in her eye? I want to come now and ask what the problem now. I don't go on and take a big stone. For what reason? For what kind of reason? Shut her down sleep. Because my mother not come. When she go on a decision, I not see her like she got up a public. Trot, these are the things that I'm telling you. And then when I come by, I want to beat me, come on and beat me, go. What must more I doing and take in a life? What must I do and take in a life? So when them truth I have to stab my mother and blind her. I know a Jake's mama tell her friend to stab my mother and I have to blind her. Because them want to get to me. Because they don't want me to get back my kids. Them always want make it look like I'm me the aggressor. Always. They always want to make it look like I am the aggressor. And I'm not. A man kind of easy, you know. I look how me feed all them the dirty people. Trot. We just want to know, give a special prayer for my mother. And put a special prayer for me. And put a special prayer for my kids. And what we're going to do, pray for yourself also. Trot. I need a word of prayer the most now. Because it's going to make me lost myself and can't find it. Because mankind can't wicked so to me.
You do it. Ask me again. Guys, subscribe to erase his memory. Okay. Yay. Which blanket would you rather touch? The money one or the ramen
mix up.
one?
You know, see why
The
King mix up.
What? I thought you guys pressed
That
subscribe.
one
His
thing
memory
goes
is
on.
not erased. Are you sure you don't want the ramen one?
Oh, no, I mean that
Give me
feel
the money.
bad.
Do you know what happens when you touch
The
the
back
blanket?
hurt me.
No. I guess his memory was erased. Thanks for subscribing. Okay, touch it.
Hi, Miss and honey.
Okay, thanks. What? No. Tricked you.
Okay, people, I know you see why I don't be buying what T-listers is selling, because them get people emotionally riled up so them can get more viewership and more gifts. As you can see, the sender said trouble in paradise because, you know, homegirl posted up that, you know, she's pressed out. And, you know, she might not be here, so if I don't tell her, pitney them, you know, she tried. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. When I got the, you know, I had to verify that homegirl was locked up for fraud charges or whatnot, but it led me to some lawsuit she has against her friend. You see, I said, Joe's girlfriend, if you look at the screenshots, them of the messages, you know, but what you see in front of you right here is homegirl saying her life is in danger. Yes. And she needs that money, you feel me? So why would her life be in danger? Obviously because of World Dog snitching on everybody and them woman. You see me I say, and throughout the court documents realize say, you know, Yannick, I want rocket, you see me? So the people them say, you know, them strapped for cash and World Dog, them now make no money like that and them life in danger and them have to move. You see me, I say, and also Trouble in Paradise because there's like some, well, that have like a next youth on the way, you know. And you know, say she just give him a youth what they are to. You see me, I say. So I bear things are going on, you see me, I say. So them definitely strap for cash because them are so, you know, them friend for like $6,000 and $3,000, them thing there, you know. You see me, I say. But me just update to know what go on for not to go on, you see me. Now, I just want to give you an update on this right mango girl. You don't know the thing said she was locked up in North Carolina October 5th and, you know, bailed out the said day. But, you know, news is just getting to the media. No, you see my say, she was pulled over and arrested because she was failed to show up to court. I was able to locate the charges. Something about some larceny business of property and them thing there. You see my say. So that's why she was locked up. So I guess, you know, JLP is going to have a field day with that. Anyway, people, we're not going long. This is no longer, you know, so do the right thing and like and share my videos, obviously. Subscribe to all of my platforms and turn on the notification bell. Therefore, you'll be notified whenever I sling out the latest. Bless.